guys, you ready to go to the trade show? Here we go. We're off to the train show. Hopefully we have a great day. Monster LED's first year as a vendor, so we'll see how it goes. Right now I was able to film my first video. It was packed today, as you guys can tell. Got that going on. Got some stuff going on here. Busy, busy day. And tired. But let's take a look at my little table here. Take a look at what's up. This is the train show sale. This is the original lights, not so bright, and my Monster LEDs. These ones are off. And here's some stuff I have. The brand new business cards. A few locomotives I've been trading out, putting up there for viewing. The kits, showing how to install, and showing the different ways to install those in the Athearn, another Athearn, A6X, and this is the original bulbs that blew out. Wow. The show pricing, well, that's the pricing of the LED kits. There it is. So, like I said, this is the first video I shot, so thankfully it gets to be of my vending spot. So, Monster LEDs. For now, your boy Al's gonna be out. Gotta get out of here. The show's about to end. We'll get the numbers soon. I'll see you guys for some more filming tomorrow. See you on the rebound. Peace out. Isn't it great? I get a nice little break to get outside for a hot minute. All this busyness. I had to go out to the car to get the Wi-Fi. Here's my new car. Check it out. My new baby. There it is, 750 Li. So, figured I'd come out right now, get my system, and show you guys my nice new car.